Hi, I won't be doing a call today, but I'm just gonna yap and yap and yap because I'm in a good mood. But oh my god, sana walang evil eye dito. Sobrang scary no, minsan kasi mag-share kasi tas, you know, nag-jinx. Huwag niyo naman akong i-jinx, please. Please. Kasi, oh my god! What is in the air? My first boyfriend. I don't know if he's gonna see this, but like, I don't, feeling ko hindi na may abot sa part na alam niyo may YouTube ako. But like, oh my god, my first boyfriend. Oh my god! He messaged me after like what? 5 years? Bro. He was like set. And of course I was like, yo. No, because we followed each other on no. Okay. First thing that happened is I was blocked. He blocked me for like the longest time. And then I knew na nagkaroon siya ng girlfriend. Well, actually, he blocked me 2021 when I think kami pa nun nung ex, isa kong ex. And then he blocked me na nga, di ba? Tapos, he blocked me on everything. Tapos recently, I don't know, parang nabulungan ako ng something. Check his account. Tapos pagka-check ko, oh my god, I'm unblocked. And then we followed each other again. But this doesn't mean anything to me, okay? Parang na, ano lang ako, I'm like, shoot. I'm like, oh my god, what is happening? Because, is he not mad? Because sa lahat ng ginawa ko, is he not mad? I mean, like, I didn't do anything wrong, technically, but it's just that some, I know that he knows what happened after the breakup. Like 6 years after the breakup, I know he knows what happened. And I don't know, bro. Because what happened is, ah! Yun nga, so okay, he was like, Seth, and I'm like, yeah, no, kumusta, ganyan. And then he started asking me, na, kamusta ma, ganyan. And then he started asking me about my family and stuff. Like, we did it, na parang, huh? You know, ganun catch up. Pero ngayon, hindi, parang, it's like, I don't know how to explain it. Pero sa akin, it's nothing na parang, okay, it's just two friends catching up. Because that's how I see him now. But, oh my god, because it's, that history, the history between us is, ooh, very deep. Tapos, diba? So, he broke no contact last night. Last night yon. And then, today, my 2-week-old talking stage, no February, also broke no contact. Guys, is my prayers working? Are my prayers working? Kasi, I'm like, free me from the situation na, from my situation na. So, I've been saying, free me. So, is this the Lord um taking me away from my situation? Because I know he is not a good idea. He's gonna, para siyang, yan akong sinasaksak na kasi sa pinagagagawa namin. Because, get this. You might see this. Well, I don't care. But, oh my god, what is in the air, guys? Also, I'm so happy. My situation, my 2-week talking stage, my 2-week talking stage, no contact. Actually, ganito yan. Guys, wala naman talaga na I have no self-respect. Kasi, we started talking February. February? Yeah, February. Tapos, pagkakausap namin, ano, 2 weeks kami nag-usap na consistent, ganyan. And then, he's so nice talaga. Tapos, ginost niya ako. I got ghosted. Ginost niya ako for like a month. And then he came back again. April. Hindi, end ng March, he came back. He broke my contact. Ang maganda naman din kasi sa kanya is he knows his way back home. So, ayun. So, syempre ngayon, who am I to say no? Eh, gusto ko naman yun. Okay, let's talk about this. Let's talk about this. Kayo ba? Kung gusto niyo yung tao, would you ignore them? Hindi, di ba? So, alam nyo, I'm just a girl. And I'm just a girl who has a crush on this guy. So, kasi promise pogi siya. Promise. Tapos ayun. Tapos sobrang ayos niya kausap. He's so polite. He's so nice. Ganyan. And we get each other parang singing na hobbies and stuff. Tapos ayun nga. Ginost niya kasi ulit ako nung nakaraan. Pero, alam ko naman din kasi talaga na every time i-ghost niya ako, babalik at babalik siya. Kasi alam, may mga ganong feeling ba kayo na parang, babalik yan eh. Yung ganon. Because, you know, we can't leave each other alone. Kasi, basta, ayun na. So, focus tayo dito sa two-week talking stage ko. Ano ba meron sa, June? First week pa lang ng June. Ganito. Happy birthday to me! Gemini season. It's my season. So, ayun. Pero, kanina kasi, ano ba prayer ko? Kasi Sunday ngayon. It's Sunday today. So, I'm praying to the Lord. Kanina nag-serve ako. Tapos nag-pray ako kay Lord. Sabi ko po, ay, nakakaya ka rin yung prayer ko. Pero yun. Anyway, aalis kami. Tapos kanina kasi nag-work lang ako kasi ano lang ako, very workaholic girl. Eme. Pero, work ako kasi may mga kailangan akong tapusin. Kasi medyo marami akong ginawa nung Thursday. Ang dami namin meeting. So, parang kailangan tapusin. Hindi ko na naiintindihan. Naubusan ako ng work, naubusan ako ng brain cells, ganyan. Tapos, ngayon, tinatapos ko siya. Papasok ko na gagawin bukas. Pero, it's okay. I'm enjoying this. I love this life. Tapos yun. Tapos, alam niyo yung mas masaya? Kasi may mga boys talaga na nanggugulo sa akin. Sobrang, oh my God! Sobrang ano sila, dagdag sila sa thrill ng buhay ko. So, please, continue lang.